Hi, my name is Razan Obacht. I'm the trainer and assessor at Finchley College. This video is to introduce your Level 3 Diploma in Engineering Surveying for beginners who like to start working as an engineer or surveyor, a qualified engineer surveyor. This is an alternative to university degree course. What we'll teach in here at this college is exactly the same as what you learn at university, maybe even better. At university, you will study this subject in the first year, and usually by the end of the third year, you've forgotten all about it. And there may have been 30, 40 students in the class, whereas with us, there's a lot less. So you get more ratio of a student to teacher. And there'll be smaller classes, there'll be more better training and more hands-on practice with surveying equipment. We have a range of total stations, two-man total station as well as the robotic total stations, automatic level, laser level, digital level, and GPS. You will learn how to use a full range of surveying equipment, what a surveyor and engineer does on site, to read construction drawings, understand them, to improve your AutoCAD skills, upload drawings to the total station and set out and survey. You'll be primarily employed as an engineer or a surveyor, and we will teach you everything you need to be able to work as a competent engineer. We have various courses for various durations, short 1 week courses to 2-3 months courses and longer, depending on your availability and the fees. The college has been operating for over 25 years. We have trained over 1,400 students who have graduated from our college, and they're now working throughout the world as an engineer or a surveyor. We have students far away in Canada and Australia and Africa, as well as UK and Europe. They've trained with us and they're now working in UK and worldwide. We also provide you with post-training support where you can drop by on an ad hoc basis if you need help. You can email us or telephone me, call me for any questions you may have. If you do get a job offer and we start offering you a job for Monday, you can come to us over the weekend. Saturday and Sunday, we can give you a completely free fresh crash training course to help you for the start work on Monday. When you do start your work, you can drop by and bring your drawings. If you have any issues, anything problems, you can come to me and I will help you with your issues that you have at work. So as I said, we offer weekend courses, weekday courses. We offer flexible 1 day a week or Saturdays. We offer short-term or medium or long-term durations depending on your background. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at finchleycollege@yahoo.com and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you very much.